In this video, I will show you how you can factory reset your AirPods or your AirPods Pro from the previous owner. Now to factory reset your AirPods, first of all, just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. Now just plug in your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes. And after that, just open the lid of your AirPods, then double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third time, you will see a beeping sound and you will see this orange LED on your AirPods case, which means that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. But if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPod which have a button at the back, just press and hold that button at the back of your AirPods while the lid of your AirPod is opened. Now just press and hold that button until you see the orange LED appear on the front of your AirPods. And once you see the orange LED on your AirPods case, then this means that you have done a factory reset of your AirPod. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.